Hey everyone, it's Curtis Watson. I know you're here for the final episode of Season 2 of American Railroad Adventures, so I won't keep you too long. But I would like to tell you, stick around after the episode is done, that means all the way through the credits, for a little tiny special announcement regarding the future of American Railroad Adventures. I won't say anything more, I'll just let you get back to the video. Enjoy, everyone. No, stay back! Sarah! Help! Joseph awoke with a start. Joseph! Kylie yelped. Are you alright? Oh, I think so, Kylie. It's just... You had that dream again, didn't you? Joseph didn't answer, confirming Kylie's suspicion. It's alright, said Claire. We're here. You're safe. We'll soon be on our new railroad. We've been on the ship for days, maybe weeks. Where even is this island? Kylie asked. I don't know. I've never heard of it. Wilson. Does it even exist? Where would they be taking us if it didn't exist? Joseph shuddered at the possibility. Sorry, Joseph. I don't mean to worry you. It's alright. I'm sure we'll all feel better when we see the sun again. That's the spirit. A few days later, their ship arrived in port. The doors opened, and in stepped Douglas Paulson, the man that had saved the three engines. Ah, there you all are! Welcome, you three, to the island of Wilson. How was the trip for everyone? Long, said Kylie. Rather boring, said Claire. Dark, murmured Joseph. Yes, I can't imagine it was very comfortable down here. I didn't much care for sea travel during the war myself, but once you're back on solid ground, you'll feel much better. Sir, Claire began to ask, you mentioned your railway was called the CMS. What does that stand for? The Charlemagne, Marin, and Samuel Railway. It's been serving the island of Wilson for more than 60 years. We've manufactured some of our own locomotives, but many others have arrived here from other countries. During the war, the Americans used our island as a supply base. To handle the volume of traffic, our tracks were upgraded with heavier rails, and we fitted air brakes on our wagons, allowing us to run much longer and heavier trains. We have a few branch lines on which you'll be well suited to work, Kylie. I've always wanted to work on my own branch line. Joseph, you'll be running express services from one side of the island to the other. You'll have a chance to work with the other railway on the island, the Wilson-Heartland Railway. I'll do my best to keep the wheels rolling. And Claire, of course, you'll be the strongest engine on the island once we've steamed you up. You'll be pulling heavy freight trains, especially in the mountainous region in the center of the island. I wouldn't have it any other way. I wonder what the other engines here are like. Oh, not so different from you, I imagine. They enjoy a good day's work as much as anyone. Sir, Joseph asked nervously, you're sure there's no possibility of being scrapped here, right? Yes, Joseph. To replace steam engines with diesels is a choice. Large railways like the ones you all came from made it in the interest of saving money. America has highways and airlines that make it difficult for trains to compete. But on Wilson, rail travel stands a good chance of matching, or even outmatching other forms of transport. We have plenty of coal deposits here, so it will be a cheap and readily available fuel source for decades to come. I promise you, Joseph, there is no threat of scrapping on this island. Look at that. You were right, Joseph. A few minutes in the sun and you're looking like a whole new engine. Yeah. I can't wait to see more of the island. I haven't had a good long run in years. You're telling me, Claire agreed wholeheartedly. Ah, here they are. Joseph, Claire, and Kylie. Allow me to introduce some of my engines. It's starting to feel like home already.